You've been building your quality department over time. Sometimes that means you have multiple measuring machines or equipment from different vendors, and each of those vendors uses different software to operate that equipment. Wouldn't it be nice to have the simplicity of one software managing your entire measuring portfolio? With Calipso, you can have a common metrology software for your quality department. To provide a common software, the industry offers the I++ DME communication specification. The I++ DME requires the machine OEM to provide, install, and configure a DME server, and the metrology software OEM to provide, install, and configure a DME client. That means you need cooperation from two OEMs to complete your configuration. And very few OEMs offer the DME server. Those that do often don't sell it or support it. With Calipso, we provide a direct interface to many CMMs without the need of the OEM's support. Calipso's non-ZEISS direct interfaces, known as NZDI, create a direct connection to your system's existing controller in the same method as the OEM software. With NZDI, there is no need to remove your existing computer, software, or part programs. This allows you to easily switch back and forth between your existing software and Calipso without losing your investment in current part programs. NZDI allows you to utilize Calipso as your common metrology software for your CMMs without needing support from additional OEMs. Calipso can also run other metrology technologies, like computed tomography, optical 3D scanning systems, and portable arms, giving you one software for your entire quality department. With NZDI, there are no hardware retrofits or alterations to your measuring machine. Also, Calipso reads the same machine calibration data, meaning just one annual machine calibration is necessary by the OEM, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Because of these features, Calipso with the NZDI allows you to maintain your current service provider. All of these benefits make choosing Calipso with NZDI a low-risk decision for your company, with lower investments of time, resources, and funding. Because there are no alterations to your machines, Calipso can simply be uninstalled and returned if you are not 100% satisfied. At ZEISS, we have a dedicated team for supporting Calipso on non-ZEISS equipment and a proven record of implementing these solutions across multiple types of machines. With the NZDI approach, you work directly with ZEISS. No OEM involvement necessary to implement Calipso as your common metrology software solution. With this connection between your machines and Calipso, you can improve the efficiency of your quality program. If you've watched our other Calipso videos or worked with the software in the past, you're familiar with many of the benefits it offers, such as flexibility via object-driven measurement plans, automatic measurement plan creation with CAD and PMI, streamlined measurement plan management with mini plans, efficient and powerful editing functions. Calipso uses a one-part, one-measurement plan approach. This allows for one Calipso measurement plan to run different machine types. With Calipso, you can create and manage multiple measurement strategies depending on the machine's capability. In this example, Calipso can extend the existing scanning strategy to create a new strategy with single points. You can then select what measurement plan strategy you want to apply at runtime. When you have Calipso as your common metrology software, moving measurement plans and parts from one machine to another is easy, adding flexibility to your measurement lab. Having a common software adds flexibility to quality personnel and makes transferring knowledge between users much easier. With Calipso as your common metrology software, you can easily move your inspection work from one machine to another, increase your measuring capacity, reduce your measurement and production bottlenecks, reduce the amount of time and money spent training your CMM operators. Call 1-800-327-9735 today to schedule your Calipso demo, and visit www.zeiss.com/NZDI for more information.